Hi guys, so yesterday I made a batch of carrot muffin for the first time, and today I'm going to show you what they look like. It looks absolutely perfect. This is my first time making a carrot muffin, and look at that sugar crumbs at the top. I wasn't able to make a cream cheese frosting because well, one, I don't have a mixer to use. Mixing that the cream cheese is so hard when you do it manually, and so I opted to put a sugar crumbs on top, and it looks absolutely fine. Look at that crack. Mmm. uh, it's it's really some of my friends have told me that it's quite stale because I reduced the ratio of the sugar from the batter, but I compensated it with the sugar crumbs. Smells really nice with the cinnamon and the butter, and also very moist inside.